Today on Impossibly Kosher, the crunchiest fries you'll ever make. Start off by peeling potatoes. Use as many as you like. Cut them into thick rounds. From there, into rectangular shapes. Put them all in a pot. Fill it with water, cover, and on high heat, wait for it to boil. Boil them for about 8 minutes, and you will see them start to get very delicate, so be gentle. Now, strain out the water and get the potatoes in a baking tray or in a baking pan. That's a bit too much in one, so we're going to split it into two. Add in a generous amount of olive oil. Really, you don't want to be cheap with the oil here. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and ring that bell. Now give them a gentle shake to get the oil to fully coat all of them. Then, in the oven they go at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. After about 30 minutes, give them a gentle mix around and get them back in the oven. After an hour in the oven, you will see the crunchiest fries you've ever seen. Take them out and mix them well to unstick them from the pan. Take a look at that. Get them in a bowl. You can actually hear that glass-like texture. Add kosher salt, some garlic powder, and really whatever you like on your fries. Toss them around. Give it a taste. What a crunch. There you have it, the most delicious, crunchiest crunchy fries. Like that video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and check out some of our other Impossibly Kosher videos.